Hello, investors. In the last video, we saw how we can create a simple screen that identify good quality companies with a comfortable valuation using the basic builder. Now, in this video, we will explore the advanced builder and we will also create a screen that will identify stocks showing strong momentum and of good quality. Now, for that, we will create our own custom metrics and we will see how the screen performs, right? So let's jump in. So here you have the option to choose the advanced builder. Now, once I open the advanced builder, let's first have a quick overview of the sections available. So as you can see, the one section available here is this if the condition is true now, the condition was true anytime in n candles, the condition was true in all last n candles, and the condition true n candles ago. Now, what do we mean by the candles? So current time frame is 1 day. So one candle represents 1 day. We will introduce 3 days, 1 week, 2 week, and 1 month for the candle, but as of now, it is 1 day. So, using this, you can check that if the stock's volume was greater than, let's say, 1 lakh shares in last all 10 days. So, you want to create a liquidity-based screen, then you can put this condition was true in all the n candles and then put that volume greater than 1 lakh. So then you will find the more liquid stocks. But for now, we will use the condition is true now. Right. Apart from that, we have this sort and limit section that we had in simple with the basic builder. But one more interesting thing that we have now is this custom metric section, where you can create your own custom metrics. And let's just jump in and see how we can use this advanced screener. So the first idea is to find stock showing strong momentum. Now, for that, we need to create a metric that causes the momentum of the stock. So basically, we will use the price and we will compare the same with the moving average and try to create a metric. So to add your custom metric, what you need to simply do is click on this add button and then give the variable name. So I'll give the variable name as difference. So diff underscore. I'll be using 50 EMA. So my metric will be diff underscore 50 underscore EMA. Right. So and here you will be typing the query. So what I'll do is I'll compare the close price with the 50 EMA. So simply write close, right? And here we have the close. Then we will divide the same by 50 EMA. So I'll just simply type EMA. Here I have the option of exponential moving average. Here I have the option to select the time period. So I'll choose 50, then done. So this is the difference from 50 EMA. Now, higher the number, the better it is for the stock. So if let's say EMI is 100 and close price is 150, then the value of this metric difference 50 EMA will be 1.5. So higher in the positive it is, the better it is for the stock. We can say, let's take an example of this Motilal Oswal Financial Services. So you see when the stock is showing strong momentum, this difference is increasing between this is the blue line is of 50 EMA. So the distance is increasing when the momentum is fizzling out, the distance is decreasing. So higher the distance in positive, better it is for the stock, right? So, and this is my first query. So first custom metric I'm creating. Once you're satisfied, you just click on the evaluate now button. So for all the stocks, this metric is calculating. So we have the metric value for all the stocks here. Then you click on done. I need to change it. So yeah, click on done. Now, as you can see, the uh, difference 50 EMA is available here. Now I'll add another metric, and for this time we will use SMA. So again, diff 50 SMA. And again, we use the similar style. So close price divide by, this time I'll type SMA. So simple moving average is visible here. And again, period is 50. I'll click on done. I click on evaluate now. And again, I have the value of the metric for all the stocks. And then I'll click on done. So we now have this two custom metrics here. I'll use this up arrow to hide them. And now what I'll do is I'll create my screen. So I'll use the percentile function now. So what I'll do is to use the percentile function, I'll type the percentile. So here, once I hover, yeah, this is the percentile. So if I click on the percentile, now what this function will do is it will give the percentile rank to each of the entry of our metric. So now we have created one custom metric here, and the name of the metric was diff underscore, so yeah, 50 EM. And we are taking all stocks in the market, right? So as you can see now, difference 50 EM, all stocks in the market. Now we want to find the strong stocks that have the largest value. So we will filter those stocks who are in the top 20 percentile based on this metric, right? So greater than, then enter, then 80, and then enter again. So once you hit the enter, number and means the color and the color of the comparator and the number changes. Now I want to type the next condition. For that, I simply need to type AND. So I'll type A and T, and it jumps to the next line. Now again, I'll use the same thing, percentile. The metric will be the custom one that I created. So diff underscore 50. This time I'll take the SMA. And again, all stocks in the market. And then I'll click done. Again, I want to find the stocks that are in top 20 percentile. So I'll put the value 80, right? And then again, enter and then end. Now for quality, we will use ROE and ROCE. So I'll simply type ROE. I'll take ROE TTM, that is trailing 12 months, greater than 15, and ROCE. Again, I'll use ROCTTM greater than 15, right? And you can also use a valuation metric to, filter the stocks that are trading at outrageous valuation multiple. So simply I can add another condition, let's say PE ratio. So I simply type PE ratio. You here also get the detailed description of what this metric means. I click on that, and less than 40. That's it. This is the screen that I want to create, and let's now analyze the results. So we will have the companies that are showing strong momentum and that are also of good quality and have a reasonable valuation. So once I run on this, that's it. We have now 54 stocks, sorry, 74 stocks that are fulfilling the conditions of this screen. So, as we can see, this is the list of the stock. Now, again, you can do all the things that you can do in the basic builder of the screener. So, by clicking here, you can generate heat map. So, yeah, on the factor map, once I click on the factor map, yeah, just a second, it will open the factor map here. So again, quality versus value, momentum versus value, quality versus momentum. Factor maps are available. Once I hit on the close, I can also download in Excel, and so I can export this list of stocks with all the columns. So I can then take it offline and then import the same in TradingView and then analyze the charts. Again, I can enable the sort and limit feature to limit the number of stocks to, let's say, 20. I don't want 74 stocks. Metric that I'll use is relative return. So I'll use return Just a second. So yeah, I'll use one year minus 1 month return, and then I'll filter the stocks in the descending order. So basically, top 20 stocks that have highest 1 year minus 1 month return. Again, I click on run, and as you can see now, we have 20 stocks here. So that performed really well in last 1 year. Highest 1 year minus 1 month return. So as you can see, all of the stocks have triple digit return, like more than 150%, all 20 names. Again, you can replay the screen that we saw. So if I want to see that right now 20, or let's say if I this off, total 74 stocks are there, right? But I want to run this screen, let's say 50 days ago. Then I click on done. And then as you can see, 65 stocks. So the current number was 74, but if we would have run the same screen 50 days ago, 65 stocks would have been filtered. And that's it for this screen. And in the next video, we will see how we can unleash the power of this backtesting feature of Sharply. This is one of the most powerful feature, and we have so many functionalities available here that using this, you will be able to fine tune your criterias and create winning screeners that identify good quality and good investable stock opportunities. So see you in the next video.